Do you tend to fall sick frequently without any obvious reason? It may be because the food you are eating is grown and prepared in a way that makes it unsafe for consumption. In our video, we will tell you how to make sure that you are only eating healthy food. The first step is buying healthy food. Buy fresh fruits and vegetables. Buy fresh fish which has been stored on ice or refrigerated with firm flesh, stiff body, tight scales, red gills and bright eyes. Buying small sized fish is recommended as they have less time to consume and concentrate the pollutants in water. Always check the best before date on food products. Avoid buying processed food products since they may contain harmful chemicals, and stay away from junk food. The second step is preparing the food for cooking in a safe way. Rinse the fruits and vegetables carefully before using them. Peel them if possible. Remove the outer layers of leafy vegetables such as cabbages. Cut off the fat from meat, poultry and fish. Thirdly, food needs to be cooked thoroughly. Cook food to the appropriate temperature to kill pathogenic bacteria. While cooking food, many of us have the habit of tasting it. We should avoid eating food before it is completely cooked because this half-cooked food may still contain harmful bacteria. For frying, oils which have a high smoke point such as sunflower oil should be used. If the oil needs to be stored for reusing, it should be stained and poured into an airtight container. However, oil should not be reused if it becomes darker in color or is sticky because reusing the oil repeatedly can cause ailments, cancer and atherosclerosis in the long run. After food has been cooked, you might need to store it to eat later. You must remember that while food does not spoil quickly in a refrigerator, ultimately the food does go bad. Most foods are edible if they have been stored in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. But meat should not be kept into the freezer for more than 2 to 3 days. Once a week, throw out the perishable or spoiled food that is no longer consumable. Although spoilage bacteria does cause the food to have an unpleasant taste or odor, but it shouldn't be your criteria for judging whether the food is safe to be eaten, because other bacteria such as pathogenic bacteria do not generally affect the taste, texture or appearance of the food. So don't let the looks fool you. Always cover food in the refrigerator or keep it in sealed containers to prevent cross-contamination, because it can occur if raw food and cooked food are kept together. Repeated thawing and freezing of food is harmful to human health. So when storing large quantities of food, divide it into portions so you only need to take out one portion each time you decide to have that food. You may have heard that using a microwave oven is unsafe, but scientists have not been able to prove this. However, there are some measures that you must take while using a microwave oven. Only use utensils designed for microwave use. Cover the food with a lid or plastic wrap, which is microwave safe. Cooking bags are also a good option for heating food in a microwave oven. To eliminate these cold spots where bacteria can reside, stir and rotate the food midway through the microwaving time. After removing food from microwave oven, allow it to stand for at least 3 minutes so that the cooking process is completed, killing the harmful bacteria. If you have a balanced diet, exercise regularly and follow the instructions in our video, you will be able to lead a much happier and healthy life.